Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to mix PDF files using PDFsam Basic. The mix feature lets you combine pages from two PDF documents by alternating their pages. It's perfect for merging scanned documents or organizing files in the correct order. Let's get started. After opening PDFsam Basic, click the Mix module from the main screen. This tool is designed to merge two PDF files by alternating pages from each document. Now add your PDF files. Click Browse for the first input file and select your first PDF. Then click Browse for the second input file and select your second PDF. You can also drag and drop both files into their respective input areas. Next, review the available mixing options. You can choose whether the first PDF starts the mixed document and decide if one of the files should be processed in reverse order. These options are especially useful when combining double-sided scan pages. Leave the default settings if your documents are already arranged correctly. Now select where you'd like to save the mixed PDF. Click the Browse button in the Output section and choose your preferred destination folder. Once everything is ready, click the Run button. PDFsam Basic will process both files and create a new PDF with alternating pages from each document. Open the new PDF and scroll through the pages to confirm that they alternate correctly between both original documents. If needed, return to the mix settings and adjust the options before creating another copy. That's how you mix PDF files using PDFsam Basic. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more PDF tutorials. Thanks for watching.